Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello climbers! In this video I will explain how to play Peak Mod, focusing on installation and enhanced gameplay. First, download the Thunderstorm Mod Manager, which simplifies the process. Once installed, launch the application, find Peak, and create a modding profile. Next, install the BEP in Xpack Peak, a crucial component for nearly all mods. You can easily find your game directory by right-clicking Peak in your Steam library and selecting Browse Local Files under Manage. This setup ensures a smooth modding experience. One of the most popular mods is Peak Unlimited, which lets you play with more than the standard 4 players. The best part is only the host needs to install this mod for everyone to join. By default, it supports up to 20 players, and you can even configure it for more, though stability might vary. Don't worry about supplies. The mod automatically adds extra marshmallows for all your friends. This truly transforms the cooperative climbing experience. Beyond player count, many mods enhance your climbing journey. The Easy Backpack mod, for instance, grants instant access to your backpack, saving precious time. For fresh challenges, More Peak ensures a new map loads every time you begin a round. If first person isn't your preference, the stable third-person camera offers a different perspective. You can also explore the Peak Class mod, which introduces 8 distinct classes, each with unique abilities and disadvantages, adding strategic depth to your team's ascent. When embarking on modded adventures, remember a few key tips. Always back up your game files before adding new mods to prevent issues. Install and test mods one by one to ensure they are compatible. It is important not to report any mod-related bugs to the official game developers. In terms of gameplay, effective stamina management remains vital for climbing success. Also, strong communication and teamwork are essential for navigating treacherous terrain and helping your fellow climbers reach the summit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.